video for you. Another video for you. One the same light green hoodie. Yeah, gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. We got the horses in the back. Come on, y'all. Anyway, I don't know if this video gonna be long. It depends on what type of people we get. Today I'm doing a monkey video. A monkey video. You know what a monkey video is. So what we're gonna do, we gonna jump right into it. Ain't no need for me to talk, cause y'all know what a monkey video is. I'm also going to screen recording this shit. Be next to me. I'm probably gonna get skipped a lot, but it's okay. What's up?
What's the deal?
Where you from?
Charlie, where you from?
Memphis, Tennessee.
Oh, okay.
And his friend.
Have a good day.
I don't know what I should do. Foolish. Hold on. I can't find it.
You want some weird shit. He like to tickle booty holes.
Bitch, your mama like to eat my ass though. Every time. You got an Android. No. No.
We don't got an Android.
Live. I don't even know what to do. I'm sorry, y'all, if notifications be popping up, because I tried to put what I mostly use Instagram on a block, but y'all mic work. Y'all gonna talk.
You had time. Don't tell me to add time if you're not gonna add time.
I'm gonna add time.
Sorry?
Where you from?
New York.
Okay, all y'all subscribe. Hey, can y'all do me a favor?
Yeah.
Can y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Back.
ACT. She gone. All these notifications, I kid you not. Now one person want to text me. Now one person want to upload a video. Now one person want to do any freaking thing. But as soon as I hit screen record, somebody want to freaking do it. Airtime. Roman noodle eating ass. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
YouTube channel? What you do? Oh, hell no.
He talking about, oh, hell no. You already did, he done already been put into the video. Girl, give me, what you eat? I want some. What you sipping on? Huh? Ice, girl, that's not good for you. Follow me real quick. I gotta tell you something. Okay, you wanna know a secret?
What?
You gonna be on YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. Yeah.
I'm gonna send you the link to my channel so you can watch it, okay?
YouTube.
Alright, bye. I got the horses in the back. Ah, Daddy fully black. What is going, bitch? The screen record be messing up. I am Cardi B. I am goddamn. I'm happy she skipped. Cause if she would have got on this big fat dark skinned girl would have talked about she's some Cardi B, I would have dragged her for filth. She would have thought she was a sidewalk. Cause what I say, I would have walked all over her. I thought your name said Paris, but evidently it said penis, so I just don't know. Did y'all hear that shit? She went, I'm done. I got the horses. It's probably because I ain't got no profile picture. I ain't got no profile picture on purpose. Airtime, don't put. Is that a child?
What you say?
Where y'all from? Stop doing that. Let me tell y'all something. Can I tell y'all a secret?
Yeah.
Okay, add me, follow me first so I can send it to y'all later. Y'all gonna be on YouTube. Say what's up, YouTube.
What?
Anyway, I'm gonna send y'all a link to my channel so y'all can watch the video when it comes out. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Let me cut on the speaker. Hello? Can you hear me?
What?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. All right. Add me as a friend real quick so I can tell you a secret.
No.
You dirty, white, scamming ass. Ooh. This video, I have never ever cursed on YouTube. Ever. Let me actually move to the side. I got the horses in the back. Let me see. I'm sick of clicking on this. I'm gonna click on hands-free mode. Can't nobody tell me nothing. I got skipped. These people are really hurting my feelings today. I am really getting skipped. Hey, see what I'm doing?
Hey. Please don't answer because you 14 and I cannot. I should have created a minimum age for people. I'm like, I gotta skip you. These people with these Androids, I always tell when somebody got an Android because when it be connecting and say timeout, service don't work. You got Boost Mobile and an Android. If you have an Android, at least have AT&T. Do it, baby. Lick it, baby. We're doing good time. It's only 8 minutes. He's 25 from the United Kingdom. I think it should be an age limit on her when these people can get on this, because it's really weird because these people be like 33. All monkey. Talking like 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19-year-olds for a good 10 seconds. Where you from? Can you repeat what you said?
Airtime first. Rate you 1 to 10. First rate me, then I tell you something else.
Huh?
Rate me 1 through 10. And then I'm gonna rate you.
I give you 7.
You give me a 7. Okay. I give you a 7 too. But can I tell you a secret real quick before I leave?
Okay.
Anything you want to say to the United States, the world?
Huh?
Anything you want to say to the world?
Half.
Look.
Oh! What's your YouTube channel?
I can send you the link. Friend me and I'm gonna send you the link.
Alright.
Deuces.
Emo, yes. Go ahead.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Where y'all from?
You're good.
Airtime. Hurry up. Airtime. Airtime.
I can't hear. Wait. At time.
Bitch. I think it's because of this thing. It's because I got these speakers so y'all can hear. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
No.
Can you hear me now?
No.
Airtime, airtime.
I can't hear you.
Lies she tell, ugly ass. Please kill me. Cause the dudes just be looking. And they just be weird. My daddy, Alabama. You mix that nigga. That's so stupid. Did y'all see that? It said girls have a higher risk of getting pregnant than boys. Hey, airtime, y'all. Airtime. Airtime.
Okay.
Where you from? Your makeup's so cute.
Thank you. Cali.
You from Cali? I'm from Memphis, Tennessee. Can I tell you something real quick before it's time for me to go?
Yeah.
Okay, first add me as a friend. Where the other person that to the left?
She not. God damn thing.
Hey, can I tell y'all something? I want to tell y'all something real quick.
What?
Anything y'all would like to say to your moms, your dads, your aunties, your uncles, the world?
Oh my God, we on YouTube.
Can y'all?
Mama, I love you. Daddy, I love you. In the world, I love y'all. Period.
She loves you.
I love them in the closet.
So we are friends on here, so I'm gonna send y'all the link to my channel so when y'all see the video go up, you can see yourself.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank y'all. And y'all make them so cute. Kia, I got a cousin named Kia. I want this is lighting better than my lighting at home. Airtime.
Don't ask for white. That's how on everybody.
I can't see you. Where you from?
South Carolina.
Can I tell you something real quick?
Huh?
Can I tell you something real quick?
Yo.
Okay, where you from? Okay, so you said you're from South Carolina. Is there anything you want to tell your mama, your daddy, your auntie, your uncle, your cousin?
You said wait.
Is there anything you want to tell your auntie, your dad, your mom, your cousins?
No, not really.
Okay, look in the camera real quick. Then I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna leave you with this, and I'm just gonna show you, and I'm gonna leave. Okay?
I don't know what my phone is. Wait, a real YouTube.
Yeah, y'all on YouTube. I'm gonna send y'all my link to the to my channel, so when you see the monkey video go up, you'll be in the monkey video. Deuces. Whew. I need more help. I'm finna put on this goddamn mask though, y'all.
What's good, man?
What's up? Where you from?
I'm from South Carolina. Where you from, house?
I'm from Memphis, Tennessee.
Oh, that's what's up.
Anything you want to tell, like, airtime? Anything you want to tell your mama, your daddy, your auntie, your uncle, your cousins?
I love y'all.
Okay. You want to know why I asked you that?
Why?
Look at this real quick, then I'm leaving. So, I'm going to send you guys the link tonight of my channel. So, when you see the monkey video go up, you will be in it, okay? All right, bye.
Bye.
I don't know what to do, y'all. Should I flame people? Okay. Ooh, I'm finna do some weird.
Here. We have another one. Yeah. It's not cologne.
I'm weak. The way they was looking. They was looking like, oh no. Oh no. And then he at his time.
Oh?
Every time.
You better come in my room.
Every time. Where you from? Where you from?
I'm from New York.
Okay. Is there anything you would like to tell your mama, your daddy, your auntie, your uncle, or your cousins?
Okay. What?
Is there anything you would like to tell your mama and dad, or your auntie, your uncles, or cousins, or like to the world?
Yeah. A lot.
Okay.
Dick.
Girl, you can't. Okay, you might regret that after what I'm finna tell you. Okay. I'm just gonna show y'all. I can't really explain.
I'm sorry. Oh, he's making a video. Oh, hey, hey.
You want the whole world to know you suck dick.
No, no.
So I'm following you, or whoever I'm following, who phone this is. I'm gonna send you a link to my channel, and you should see the monkey video go up.
Wait. Say that one more time. I'm sorry.
I said I'm gonna send whoever phone this is. I'm gonna send a link to my channel so you'll see the monkey video go up in a couple days.
Okay, I definitely will.
All right, whole world knows you suck dick. Deuces.
Okay, let the whole world.
Whole world, let the whole world know.
But I can't turn it out 20.
Airtime.
You got 6 on your face.
I don't know what to do. This video 16 minutes.
You bitch ass.
Where you from? Airtime. With your big teddy bear eating ass. Airtime. That I fucking thought.
And that air cut we talking about, yo, gang, if we talking about.
Dollar Tree ass niggas. Fool. Where you from? I really don't want to talk to you though.
Ohio.
Ooh.
Oh,
Hey, y'all come back to the camera. Y'all got a third person there.
you cute or whatever. Hey,
Where you from? Where y'all from?
show me your feet.
Hey, can I tell y'all something real quick? Can I tell y'all something?
Let me lick those teeth, baby boy.
Can I tell y'all something?
What? Can I lick your eyelashes?
Look.
Hey, what's good though? Wait. Show us. Wait, are you doing a YouTube video?
Yep. And the whole world knows you want to lick my feet.
Good.
I can't even see y'all. I can't. All I see is
Exactly.
All I see is Caucasian fingers.
This is Caucasian.
It might be.
We're from Afghanistan. You look like my dad. Hit your woe. Alright, bye, baby boy.
Then we gotta do when it be awkward situation. Just act like you froze, girl. Just act like you froze forever. Hey, airtime, y'all. I gotta tell you something. Okay, is there anything y'all would like to tell like the world? Would you anything you want to tell your mama, your daddy, your auntie, your uncle? Huh?
Wait, what?
Is there anything would you like to tell your mom and your dad anything? Or the world? Huh?
Say that again.
Is there anything you would like to tell your mom, your dad, your auntie, your uncle, or like the world?
Oh. I'm secretly in love with myself.
Period. That's a 2019 move. How old are you first? Before I tell you what I gotta tell the world.
Girl, I'm 14.
Are you 14? All right. Well, do you watch YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, I need you to just look at this, and that's all I'm gonna say. Anyway, that's all I'm gonna say. Make sure y'all I'm a friend, y'all.
Hold up. What's your YouTube?
I'm gonna send it to y'all on I'm gonna send you the link. Ooh.
Unacceptable!